What is going on, guys? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Irvin and this is my IS300. So recently I've been getting a lot of comments on my video of replacing the door lock actuators on it, talking about how it's kind of hard to see all the stuff that I'm doing inside of the door panel. And I get that. It's really hard to fit a camera in there and it's really hard to see what you're doing even when you're actually doing it. So instead of making another video showing how I get the door lock actuator and all that stuff out of the door panel, I'm going to go ahead and just do that now and get the entire system out on the floor so you guys can see what I'm looking at, and it'll be a better visual representation of all the stuff that you guys have to do to get the door lock actuator out. It is a little confusing, but I think after this video you guys will be able to do it easily. First things first, let's get all the stuff out of the door. So in true Washington fashion, it started raining, but I'm gonna do this real quick and show you guys. So this is the complete door lock assembly out of the IS300. So these are the rods that people really have trouble with disengaging. They're actually kind of simple. If you look at the way that these locks work, they've got pretty much a little lock that holds on to the rod itself, and then it goes 90 degrees into the clip. So what I'll usually do is I'll just squeeze this one forward and it'll disengage that pink one. Then you have to disengage the white one, which is a similar thing. You gotta push that up like that. That rod can come out. The other one is pretty much the same thing. Disengage it like that. And it's going to be a little weird because I can't hold it at a perfect 90 degree with one hand. I just disengage that guy, and then that pulls right out. Just like that. So then installing it is completely the opposite. You just stick it in first, clip that in, stick this one in, then I'll clip the white one and the pink one at the same time. Outside of the car, it looks a lot easier than it is inside of the car, and it really is a lot easier than it is inside of the car. You just kind of got to mess with it. Try your hardest not to break those clips because you can still buy them, but it's just a hassle and the rods will fall out without them. So make sure that when you're doing it, you're nice and gentle with everything. Usually you should be able to do it with your fingers. You shouldn't need any tools to pry on them with, but other than that, that's pretty much it. You guys saw my last video, I'm assuming, of how to actually pull them out and do all that kind of stuff. I just wanted to make a little bit of a clarification video because I know a lot of you guys have been asking. So there it is. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the like button. And if you guys are coming here from that video, make sure to take a look at a couple of my other videos because the IS looks quite a bit different now, and I must say it's progressed a lot. I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys later. I try to do one thing. I try to do one thing for you guys. And now, little old me got my phone stuck in my car along with my keys in the ignition. The door's half open but locked. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's so annoying. Oh my god. I'll try to break into my car now. Also, the only spare key that I have is this guy. And as you guys can see, the end that I need isn't there. And it doesn't work to unlock it. Alright, so at this point, I don't know what to do. I've got my keys and my phone locked in my car. I have no way of communicating with anybody. My car is currently on with the battery draining with just the fucking radio and the AC going. I'm in a tough spot. So my door is like halfway cracked. I'm sure that if I had like a Slim Jim set, I would be able to open it, but I don't have one. I have one at work, but that's like a couple miles away. I'm gonna see what Soda's doing. I'm gonna fucking text him on Facebook because I have no other way of communicating with him, and see if I can get him to give me a ride to Toyota, and hopefully get the Slim Jim set, and hopefully get my car open before my battery's completely dead. Better answer that. Better answer that. Oh God. And now we wait. I'm sure if he can't do it, I could probably ride my bike there. But dude, this is so shitty. This is so shitty. Oh my God. Oh, he saw it. He saw it. What's he gonna say? What's he gonna say? Are we gonna get lucky? He has no idea. Well, it's a good thing that soda is somewhat available, because now I can go to work and pick it up instead of having to, you know, bike in the fucking monsoon that we're having apparently. Dude. So I'm gonna wait for him to get here, and then we'll get on our way to Toyota, and I'll see if I can get the Slim Jim kit. Because apparently I'm an idiot. Love that. See you guys in a bit. My Lord and Savior has just arrived. He's driving a white Subaru Legacy.
Wait, are you supposed to be working?
What do you mean? No, I have today off.
What?
Yeah.
So, you did that. Oh, you're funny, dude. How long has the car been running for?
It's not running, luckily, but since I texted you.
I thought it was running.
No. It's just on with all of the music and shit playing, yeah.
Good luck. Oh, with the music playing. Okay,
yeah.
Alright, at least you have that.
Yeah, right?
Dude, how'd you do? You don't have a spare?
I do have a spare. You want to see my spare? I've got this.
Bruh. What the fuck is this? Is it just this won't even work?
That's my well, no, because the key's in the ignition. The buttons don't work when the key's in the ignition. Yeah.
That's so stupid.
I know. Well, we just stopped at my work, snapping into a Slim Jim. See if we can break into my car.
Yep. We're gonna break into this IS300 and then steal it and sell it for parts. This thing's
still going, so that's
it's not worth much. Bro, what is? Oh man, that's soothing. Oh, you were just lounging in here, huh?
I was just fucking
drinking a beer and shit. Look at that.
Big chilling.
He's drinking a beer. Got too drunk, got too fucked up, and then no, I'm just kidding.
That was like Coke, dude.
Coca-Cola bottle. Let's see how fast you can do this, bro. We're timing you. What's up with you guys locking your keys in your car, man?
Fuck you, dude.
Karma. That was fast. You look experienced, sir.
I've done this a few times for sure.
So tell us what you're doing here.
Well, at this point I'm just assembling this long stick. I'm gonna use the stick inside of this.
Alright, stick her in there.
To get the
Gotta pry this open a little bit.
Yep. Use that little pump.
Got the little pump, we wedge it in between the door right here. It's gonna pump it up, get the wedges in there so you can fit this rod in there.
Love fitting my rod in the nice tight spaces, dude. Yeah.
Some random dude.
Definitely do it professional. Definitely don't steal cars from there.
Fucking, that's not a bad gig. Okay, we are in.
Gotcha, bitch.
Alright, start this bitch up. I wanna see if the battery's healthy. It'll start. There's still music playing.
Let me turn the music off before I get demonetized.
Bro, I totally thought you worked today. I'm like, this fool went on his break. Okay, alright, that was close. That was a close one. Dude, you broke in successfully, and now I gotta hide my fucking car. So did they just let you borrow that?
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
Dope.
I walked in, my boss was like, you look like you're not having a great day. I was like, not the best, no.
Like, what are you doing here?
Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one.